गोयचो प्रभारी दिग्विजय सिंगाच्या फुडारपणान प्रदेश काँग्रेसीन सध्या डॅमेज कंट्रोल फॉर्म्युला लायला। काँग्रेसीन काडून उडयल्ल्या बाबूश मोन्सेरातूय पार्टीत घेवपाची तयारी दवरल्या। सध्या बाबूश कितें तरी निर्णय घेवन सांगतलो म्हूण ते वाट पळयतात। माविन लिस्टात ना। पांडुरंग मडकयकार कितें करता ताचेर काँग्रेसीची नजर।
Sir, as far as Goa is concerned, does it mean that you are not going to give tickets to some of the sitting MLAs?
See, for example, sitting MLO one is moving good, he's already left. There are two others, Babush and Jennifer. Jennifer, of course, has not left, but Babush is also he's not made it very clear whether he wants to contest Congress or not. Then we are getting different signals through statements of Mr. Pandurang Madkekar, who was till about 1.5 to 2 months, has been giving conflicting statements. We are not clear about these people, otherwise the rest of the sitting MLAs are all there.
Will be given ticket?
You see, tickets are finalized by the Central Election Committee.
ब्रेस्तार शुक्रारा 2 दीस समिती आमदारांचे उमेदवारीचे विषय घेऊन बसली। 40 मतदारसंघातल्या राजकीय परिस्थितीची आणि उमेदवारांच्या विनेबिलिटीची चर्चा केली। काँग्रेस सध्या 40 मतदारसंघांनी उमेदवार पळयतात।
We have had a very detailed discussion on every seat and political strategies for each assembly segment has been worked out, and some more discussion is to take place, which we will have in the next few days before the final list is sent to the Central Election Committee of the AICC. We have decided to give preference to new faces, and also at the same time our whole effort is to expose the non-implementation of the election promises of the BJP government. The election manifesto committee has been constituted and will start meeting and inviting suggestions from people of Goa. We are choosing candidates on all 40 seats.
So there is no question of it.
We are choosing candidates on all 40 seats.
इलेक्शन समितीचेर आशिल्ल्या आमदारांतल्या विश्वजीत राणे, आलेक्स रेजिनाल्ड आणि पांडुरंग मडकयकारान मिटिंगेत तोंड सुद्धा दाखयले ना। प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकिक शिलकार।